Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through fixing the Roblox not opening problem on PC using quick and reliable steps. This issue usually happens because of corrupted files, background conflicts, or permission problems. First, close Roblox completely and open Task Manager to make sure no Roblox processes are running. Now, press Windows plus R, type App Data, and press Enter. Open the local folder and delete the Roblox folder to remove broken cache files. Next, restart your computer to refresh system services properly. After restarting, open your browser and download Roblox again only from the official website. Before installing, temporarily disable antivirus or firewall software, as they can silently block Roblox from opening. Now, right-click the Roblox installer and select Run as Administrator to avoid permission issues. Once installed, open Windows Graphics Settings and set Roblox to high performance if you are using a laptop. Also, update your graphics drivers from the official Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD website. Finally, check Windows Update and install any pending updates. After completing these steps, launch Roblox again. It should now open normally and run smoothly without getting stuck or refusing to start. Subscribe the channel for more videos.